blonde shades come in a wide range of warm and cool tones. Violet shampoo is used for a couple reasons: to customize and control the gold and yellow tones in some of those blondes, and bring back the original vibrant color to the hair and cancel out any brassiness. In this video, I'll show you how applying violet shampoo can change this tone to this tone, and how different application times have a more or less dramatic result. Here's our human hair wig, Jennifer, in color 1488H. This color out of the box is an equal blend of platinum and golden tones. For those wanting a cooler shade of this blonde, you can simply apply our in-tone violet shampoo as follows. First, wet the hair completely in cool running water. Next, apply a small amount of in-tone shampoo into wet hands. Make sure the shampoo has completely blended in your hands. You can add a little water if needed. Apply at the base and quickly work down through the ends. The ends are the most porous and can absorb the tone faster. If your goal is a subtle toning, you can rinse thoroughly just after 30 seconds and follow with either Argan Luxury Conditioner or Pure Repair Restoring Balm. The longer you allow the shampoo to process, the cooler the tone will be. Here's how the same wig looks after processing for 1 minute and after 3 minutes. So if we put our original Jennifer next to the toning results after 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes, you can see the different results you can achieve. The colors now range from warmer to cooler. Remember, with the in-tone violet shampoo, you have the option to customize and cancel out any gold you see based on your desired look. We hope you enjoyed watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.